In this quick tutorial, we're gonna go through Patch Rewards app. As you can see, this app is topping the charts in the US App Store, competing with Amazon, with Walmart, Nike, and like top apps in the shopping category. And it also was like in the top charts in overall apps. So I was like, what this app is about? So let you know, this app I think is mainly available only in the United States. So if you're in Europe or Canada or I don't know, Australia, anywhere else in the world, I don't think this app will work properly. Maybe it will, maybe something changes, but this is primarily if you reside in the United States. The idea of the app is super easy and it's like brilliant. So basically when you shop some brands, so you go to supermarket and you purchase some specific brands, then you can just use your receipts to get additional points in the app. And if you have then collected enough points in this Fetch Rewards app, after that you can use these points to buy some stuff from the app. Like you can get a t-shirt, you can get some additional gift card, all of that, and then spend this money with specific brands and all of that. So basically it's kind of like a cashback, but yeah, it just works in a bit more different way. And then they recently started to add some social media experience, and all of that. So let's just go through the app. Here is how it looks like. The first tab is like a Discover tab, where you can see all the rewards and brands you can get. So here you have special offers that are always added here on recent brands, and there is a lot of purchases. There are a lot of categories. There is high to low. So for example, if I'm buying a cereal, like, a lot of people just buy cereal, eat it with milk every morning. And if you're buying one of these brands, you can get a cashback. So basically, if I tap on Cheerios, what I need to do, so I bought these Cheerios, then I need to have a receipt, either like digital receipt that is sent to my email or some e-banking app or like some PDF version, or I can just snap it with my camera. So you can just give access to a camera and then you can snap the receipt photo. So you can do that. And then it gives you 10 points per every dollar spent with Cheerios. So if you bought like few packs of Cheerios for $10, you will have like 100 points. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then of course you have like all these brands. You can view all these brands divided into different categories, like baby products, baking, beauty, beverages, bread and bakery, breakfast and cereal, cleaning and home, frozen, grocery, health and wellness, magazines, household. So you can go and yeah. Usually you can see 10 points for $1 spent again here, and you just have all these products, personal care. So if you buy this, so that's probably the standard rate, so 10 points per $1. And yeah, so that's basically how it works. You can search by product, brand, or category. Then there is like a social element. It's social beta. So you have like some friend activities here. You can see some people who bought some stuff and who are getting basically all these points. So as you can see, this guy, he's actually getting a lot of points. He just bought some Costco, Chipotle, CVS, pharmacy, and all of that, and then just getting all these points, which is pretty cool. And then what you can do with these points. So basically, I don't think you can withdraw points. So for example, I have points. I have like 5,000 points, and I can just look what can be my rewards. So 10,000 points, I can already turn that into $10 gift card on adidas.com. So as you can see, you actually need really a lot of points to make it something meaningful. So yeah, 10,000 points means like $10. on Amazon or AMC and all of that. So, but still you get $10, and then just depending how many purchases are you making and all of that. So that's basically the idea. Then you have all these categories. You can have cash cards. So yeah, let's just take a look on the cash cards. So this is possibly the only way to actually withdraw cash if you don't want, buy some Nike shoes or something like that, but you just want to withdraw cash. So you need 11,500 points to withdraw $10 here in this app. Yeah, so that's kind of the idea of it. Then you can get a t-shirt. T-shirt is 5,000 points. You can get that. So it's it should be, according to their calculation, it's around like $15. So that's around the price of it. You can get $10 card in Papa John, in Amazon, all of that. And then you have your profile. You can see all these notifications. You can refer a friend. So basically you can use refer a friend and earn big when they snap a receipt. So you can get 2,000 and give 2,000 from here, and then you can just enter a referral code. So here's my code, RRTRHT, and then you can get 2,000 points and give 2,000 points with it. And then you can see your referral. So definitely use this feature, guys, from this video. Try it out, this app, if you live in the United States, of course. And it can be pretty helpful for you, especially in times of like recession and all of that. These apps are becoming really popular because people can save a few bucks here, a few bucks there, buy some discount there, use some cashback, use some fetch rewards. And this is how your budget is becoming a bit better. And especially with all these gas prices and all this inflation, apps like that, it's like $10, $20, it adds up over the time. So definitely check it out. Then you can just earn rewards for shopping online. Basically you can just, if you're using these retailers, you can just connect them to this app, and then you can just earn automatically some points. You don't need to fetch any receipts, I guess, or it will be automatically fetched here. Then if you have prescriptions, you can earn that. And then there is like a help center. Then there are settings which you can try out. Unfortunately I was figuring out what to do if I want to delete my data and delete my account. It's a good style when apps have that option, but unfortunately here I don't see that. So the only option, if you really want to delete your data and your account, you just need to go to contact us section, then just select profile help, and then just write a message and just write something like delete my account. That's what I would do, I think. And then after that, just tap send and you will be able to delete your account. So that's the idea. Something around that. And then of course you need to select how to add e-receipts or how to snap a photo. So that's how you snap it. You can enable, disable flashlight, store total date. You can select like different metrics, like different numbers which should be there. So that's basically the idea. If you enjoyed the app, you can definitely rate it on App Store, and explore this social beta. You can sync your contacts if you want to connect with friends, but that's the idea of. So something around it, as you can see. That's how it works. You can, I don't know, Wes, who is this influencer, is he a co-founder or anything? So he already has 453 points. That's like a lot. in this app, but you can see the potential of the app, like how much you can actually earn. Of course, it's not easy. Of course, you will need to spend a lot of time fetching these rewards and spending a lot of time in this app. But yeah, you can also add friends and yeah, just hang out, see friend activity and something around it. And then you can add friends just by typing friend name here like this, and then you can just invite them. So that's basically the app idea. Yeah, if you go to the App Store again, you can see that this app is still like quite high in the results. So here you can see 2.4 million ratings. It's like pretty impressive. I absolutely love this app. It's ridiculously easy to use, so simple. Just take a picture of every receipt you get for anything from anywhere and you start stacking up points immediately and super fast. I'm already almost to 5,000 points. I just downloaded this app and took maybe 10 receipt pictures. Think about it. If you are like me, you stop at least once a day and buy something. Doesn't really matter what you purchase either, because everywhere you spend money, no matter what you're spending it on, as long as you just take picture of that receipt you get at checkout, you will get points. So that's, of course, that's like one review which is that good, but overall rating is also pretty high. There is also iPad app, and this app already got so many like reports and like awards and stuff like that. So hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Check out this app.